What up, y'all? It's Marco, man, cooking no more dope to the narcos, man. You already know, young nigga from the go, so a nigga can't go. You already know. But you already know. We back on another episode of How to Get Your Waves Boomin'. You feel me? This is, you know, my little docu-series or whatever I feel like calling it. I'm just being me, you feel me? I'm just taking y'all through the steps I'm doing to get these waves because I'm tired of it. It's been 23 years, bro. 23. And I have yet to have 360 waves. It's 365 days in a year. So think about how many chances I missed of having 360 waves. I can get one wave a day and it would just take a year to get 360. But for some reason, it just didn't work out for me like that, you feel me? So you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna keep on doing this until y'all see your boy get his goal. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. We're gonna check later, but you feel me? The top be on point every time. It be this right here, specifically this side. The right side don't wanna do nothing, you feel me? This side be coming in all smooth, the back be all faint. I don't know if y'all can see that. I gotta use my front camera and all that, you feel me? But so yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know how we start this off, you did. But we got a new friend today. We got Mr. Brown. Throw that on my face. Blend in, you feel me? So we got Mr. Brown, you know what I'm saying? For our little hot towel, you dig. So go ahead and warm up that water. You know what I'm saying? It's best to, you feel me? If you're gonna do videos, it's best to have the water warm before you start recording, you feel me? So, got hot Mr. Brown here, you feel me? Hit it with that. Can I get a drum roll, please? Just let that shit. Just let it motherfucker. It's like sometimes you could just feel your hair absorbing those water molecules. Damn, I'm talking about, man. Look here, man. Feel like silk. Okay. We are not giving up, guys. Brushing waves, bro. Wave builder. If this don't work, I'm talking about the final video I make you guys, it'll be worth it, trust me. Oh, I'm gonna go all out if I don't use these waves. I'm gonna go all out. Okay, get in. Rub it in gently, you feel me? In the pattern. I can't stress that enough. Every video, I wanna make sure I say that now. You have to pat this stuff in the pattern of your waves, you feel me? If you don't, you're wasting your time. You're not training your hair to grow a certain way. You know what I'm saying? You just letting it be free. So, get it all down, you feel me? You feel me? It's all wet. It wet? But nah, So, you know, after that, you know what I'm saying, the next step, naturally, to just brush it, you feel me? But, you know, let's take a quick look at our hair now. And this is just where we're at before the brush, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, I got a little progress coming in everywhere. We got like a 270, maybe 240, whatever. But you know what I'm saying? They say the more you brush, the more waves you train. So, you know, it's up to you how long you want to brush, you feel me? I'm just letting y'all see the pattern. You go down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. do this for y'all, man. I don't do this for me, you know what I'm saying? I just want y'all to be wave head drillers out here. That's the new wave, you feel me? So, hit this back, you know what I'm saying? Also, it kind of depends on what cut you get too. I didn't mention that in the first couple videos, but you can't get your hair cut too low because it's not gonna be enough hair to train into which direction to go. So you might wanna, if you get your hair cut every week, you definitely wanna stop that. If you get it cut every 2 weeks, you might be okay depending on how far you tell your barber to cut it. But if not, I suggest going 3 to 4 weeks without a haircut. You can get a lining. I would, yeah, definitely get a lining. You're gonna be looking like me with the little M. You feel me? But that comes from, man, nigga, look here. I called my barber the day before, right? My barber the day before, right? So, boom. I'm like, man, bro, what up? I'm at work right now. When I get off, you think you would be free? He like, man, bro, nah, it's the evening, man. That's when I get my rush. I'm gonna be busy, though. So I'm like, all right, cool. What time you gonna be there tomorrow? I'm gonna come as early as you get there. He said, I get here at 7:30. It's first come, first serve. I'm like, oh, I bet I'm in there, right? Bro, my nigga. I pull up at 7:28, my nigga. Okay, so I'm like, all right. I see somebody walk in the barbershop. I'm like, that wasn't him. So I'm like, maybe he's in there, maybe not. So I see another guy walking in. I'm like, okay, now we got a problem. But like, he told me 7:30. These niggas, even if he not in there, they might just be getting ready to wait. So I'm like, all right, let me hurry up and get up in here, bro. Boy, I walk up in there, bro. 7:32, bro. 7:32. I look at my phone, bro. It is 7:32, bro. He's cutting somebody's hair already, and there are 6 people sitting down, and he's the only barber in this shop right now. I say, huh? I'm like, bro, all these people? He like, yeah, it's gonna be a minute. I'm like, man, bro, you messing up my videos, bro. I was supposed to get a haircut, you feel me? At least a lining, bro. And then it's like, now he put me in a situation where I just gotta be on the internet with a messed up head, or either ruin our loyalty. But everybody knows, like, nigga, you don't break the loyalty between your barber, nigga. Oh God, I don't care. Nigga, you cheat on your girl before you cheat on your barber, oh God. But, so yeah. You know what I'm saying? You just keep brushing till you feel like you've brushed enough. I'm finna pay a little extra attention to these sides to try to speed up the process. They say the more you brush, the more weight you train. So, you know, I'm probably edit it out, but, you know, give a little extra to the sides. Hey, and another thing about this brush is, I ain't tender-headed, but like, if I got one of them hard bristle brushes, bro, I'm talking about if I use that bit like 2 days straight, bro, I'm talking about my head feel like, I don't know what it feel like, but it feel like tissue or something. This brush is cool. This brush don't hurt too much. It just do its job, you feel me? But all right, y'all, that's enough for the video, you feel me? I'm gonna take care of the rest. But so yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Just keep following me on this journey, bro. I'm telling y'all, man, we finna get these waves booming. Cause I'm going up to Cali. I'm going up to Cali. Hey. But alright, y'all, man, like this video, you know what I'm saying? Comment, give me some tips, some good stuff to use in my hair. If you know something better than this brushing waves, let me know. I'll definitely check it out, you feel me? But I feel like I got the keys. We gonna see though, you know what I'm saying? And subscribe, man, I'd appreciate it.